This is going to be the part 1 of how to do a CP line or CP right now. And in this part I'm going to explain how the numbering and the tracing system. In the next part I'll show how to exactly do CP. So first I'm going to show the numbering system. On the white side I have numbered the corners. This is corner number 1, this is corner number 2, this is corner number 3, and this is corner number 4. And this is going to be this way for all of my solves. The white, orange, green is always corner number 1. The white, red, green is always corner number 4. So now let me do a hand scramble. And now I'm just going to solve one of the corners, two of the yellow corners. So I have solved 2 of the yellow corners, these 2. Ignore the centers for now. And now I'm going to put both of these on the bottom left. And let me just scramble a little more. So yeah, now corner number 5 is actually the corner that has to be solved over here, and corner number 6 is the corner that has to be solved over here. So in this case, given that we have solved these 2 corners, at corner number 5 is going to be this corner because this has to be solved here. Luckily it's already solved. And corner number 6 is this corner because this is the corner that goes in here. Okay, now we'll talk about the locations. First of all, imagine a thread that goes from here like this, and like this. These 6 corners are unsolved, these 2 corners are solved, these 6 corners are unsolved, and the thread is going through all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna categorize these guys. First of all, this corner, and this corner are called odd corners because they sit in odd positions of the thread. And this corner, and this corner are called even corners because they sit in even positions of the thread. You should be able to see the pattern here. Like we have a very nice triangular shape forming. On top of that, these 2 are a group of friends or a couple. These 2 are a group of friends, and these 2 are a group of friends. Now we'll get to the tracing. So first of all, we have to look for corner number 5. Corner number 5 is here. Corner number 5 right now is in an odd position. If it is in an odd position, then we have to trace the thread in this direction, starting from here, going in this direction. If it were in an even position, then we would trace the thread like this in this direction. But right now it's in an odd position. Now we look for corner number 6. The corner number 6 can be in 3 possible positions. It can be over here, which is the friend of corner number 5. If corner number 5 were here, for example, then corner number 6 should have been here if it wanted to be the friend. Right now corner number 6 is not over there. Else it can be in one of these 2 positions, which is not a friend of corner number 5, and it is of a different parity. Right now corner number 5 is odd, these 2 positions are even, so it's of a different parity but not a friend of corner number 5. Or the third possibility is it can be in one of these 2 positions, which is of the same parity as of this. In this case, since corner number 5 is odd, these 2 positions are of the same parity. Basically these 2 are also odd. In this case, corner number 6 is over here, so it's odd. So both of them are of the same parity. So if both of them are of the same parity, then we have to swap the third corner of the same parity, which is this. Since both of these are odd, this is the third corner of the same parity, with the friend of 6, which is this. This is 6, so this is the friend of 6. So we have to swap these 2, like we have to assume that these 2 are swapped for now, and we have to swap corner number 6 with the friend of corner number 5, which is this, because you always want 5 and 6 to be friends. So corner number 6 swaps with this. Now we start reading the thread. Since 5 was in an odd position, we have to read the thread in this direction. So we look at this piece first, and this piece is actually this corner because these two are swapped, and that is corner number 3. So the first number is 3. Then we look at this one, but remember these two are swapped. So over here we'll have this corner, which is corner number 2. So we have 3, 2. Then we have to look at the number of this corner, and since these two are swapped, we'll have this corner over here. So that's corner number 4. So we have 3, 2, 4. And then we have corner number 1 because it's not swapped with anything else. So the number that we have is 3, 2, 4, 1. And then we'll have 5 and 6, but we don't really care about 5 and 6. All we care about is 3, 2, 4, 1. And this is the number 3241, which will help us determine how to do CP. We'll do one more example solve. So let me just solve two corners again. Let's do the two blues this time. So I have solved these two corners. I'm putting both of these over here, bottom left, and now we're going to look for corner number 5. Corner number 5 is the one that gets solved over here. When you put them on the bottom left, it's the one that gets solved over here, and that's going to be the green, orange and yellow corner. The green, orange, yellow corner is over here. It's in an odd position, so we are going to read the thread again in this direction. Now we look for corner number 6. Wait, let me just scramble it so that we have a new case this time. Yeah, so now we're going to look for corner number 6, and corner number 6 right now is over here. Corner number 6 is the other corner which has yellow, or the one that gets solved over here. Corner number 6 is here. It's not a friend of corner number 5 right now because the friend of corner number 5 is this. So corner number 6 is here, and it is of a different parity. This is odd, this is even. Since it's of a different parity, we assume that the third group of friends, this is a group of friends in which 5 is there, this is the group of friends in which 6 is there. The third group of friends, we assume that these two are swapped, and we want these two guys to be friends, so we swap 6 with the friend of 5. So we assume these two are swapped. So we have assumed these two to be swapped and these two to be swapped. Now we are going to read the thread in this direction because 5 was in an odd location. So this is going to be 5, we don't care about it. This is going to be 6, we don't care about it. This was not swapped with anything, and it is corner number 3. So this is 3. This was swapped with this, which is corner number 1. So we have 3, 1. Then these two were swapped. So over here we have this corner, that's corner number 2, and then corner number 4. So our list now is 3, 1, 2, 4. So the number is 3, 1, 2, 4, and given this number 3, 1, 2, 4, we can solve CP.